Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I am here to share with you guys a design team project from the Cutting Cafe. I'll post the link below to the site. And this week's theme is using the Welcome Fall set. And it is so cute. I love it. I love the fall colors. I love decorating fall albums. So I was excited to be able to do this one. And this, I took one of the sentiments from the set and backed it up, cut it out with my Nestabilities. It says Happy Fall, and then I Copic colored the happy letters and used glossy accents on the letters. Also, I fussy cut the pumpkin and painted it orange, and then not painted. I colored it orange with my marker and stickled the stems green, and then I went over it with some glossy accents. Also, I got this little flower collection from Michaels, little recollections collection, and then an I Am Rose flower. I also have some little fun twirly things down here that I got from the seasonal section a while ago at Michaels, and then some fake fabric leaves. The cover is a fabric wallpaper sample, and it's a fall theme, so it went great. And here's the back of that cover, so you can see what it looks like. It just added to it, and I'm using twine to bind it. I have I just made a envelope pocket, or not a pocket, I made a pocket out of a 12 by 12 black cardstock. So anyway, that's my cover. So cute. And then I open it up. Oh, by the way, this mini album is 4 by 6, so it fits my pictures perfectly. I just cut them down a little bit. Have some more of those leaves, and then I made a twisted rose. I used goobers, little circle glue dot goobers. I got that from Angie over at Queen Bee's Creations, and then I just used the leftover piece of satin tan ribbon to twirl that up. And here I'm going to put the orchard that we went to and the day and that kind of thing, and then I used some puffy paint in orange to say the year. Cute. I love this. This is one of the apples from the collection. It's 2 pieces, so I just layered it on top. I hope you can see that. This red background, I guess that might not come out so well. Let's see. So I did some fussy cutting, did some Copic coloring. I added some stickles because it's bright and it's shiny. It's so cute. And then I colored the basket and then added some Mod Podge on top of that. Popped it up on some dots on this beautiful picture that I have. I've gotten slanted. On this beautiful picture that I have in the background of this apple tree. It's gorgeous. One of the sentiments says Harvest Blessings. And I put that on the side. This is also so the pockets that I made them, I folded them over so the front flips up and the inside is actually a pocket and tag. So here is where we're on the wagon, on the little train tractor pull thing. And then Grateful for another sentiment from the collection. This is the kids at the tire swing on our walk down from the apple orchard. And then in each of the tags, oh, where's my tag? In each of the pockets have a tag. And this is a sentiment from the collection. It says, one fall day is a journaling spot. So I'm going to journal about, of course, the events there, because I wanted to pack the album with photos. So, and that just pulls out, and they all are the same. If I can get it back in there with one hand. Okay. So they all are the same. They all pull out that way. So anyway, just folds up. Did I get that caught? There it is. Do it later. So, yeah, this is them in front of the apple tree. Yep. So this was a really fun set. I love doing that. Another, Kyla had to pick up this pumpkin, so I have one of the sentiments popped up on Pop Dot. It says Pumpkin Patch, and then another one of the pumpkin sentiments says Pumpkins for Sale. Have that popped up on dots. So cute. I love that. And that's Taylor, the Pumpkin Patch, carving pumpkins. This is them in the little train playhouse thing that they had. And them taking a tour on the tractor and getting some face painting. I love this album. It's able to display my pictures so well. This is Kyla picking apples. And I am a saltwater taffy girl. Look at all this, like a whole bunch of variety of saltwater taffy. Needless to say, I bought a few. And then they did some face painting there. We had a good time at this apple orchard. And I'm going to journal about this. My son took an apple that was on the ground and he was playing with it. And he ended up making all these cute little marks in the apple the entire, while we was riding the tractor or walking. He made it with his thumb. And I just took a picture of that. It was cute. And then they did some playing on the hay fields. And then we played a game, find the world's smallest apple in the orchard. Tyler won because that's a tiny apple. And then TJ found the biggest 2 apples. And then there was a llama. And some goats and sheep and rabbits. So I took, this is not even half the pictures, but I just wanted to, I'm going to do a different album, a bigger album too. But I'm going to have this one on my desk. So that's the back of the book. And then that's the front again. So you guys check out Regina over at the Cutting Cafe and check out this Welcome Fall set. It'll definitely put you in the mood of getting your fall pictures recorded. Thanks guys and have an awesome day. Bye.